In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Drive on your Windows 11 computer. So let's start. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Now, in the search bar, type Google Drive Download Windows 11 and press Enter. You will see multiple results, but you should always open the official website. Usually, the very first result is the correct one. So, click on the first website that appears in the search results. After the page opens, you will see a button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on that button. Now the Google Drive setup file will start downloading automatically. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer. Go to your Downloads folder. Here, you will see the Google Drive installer file. Simply double-click on that file. Now, Windows will show you a message that says, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" This is a normal Windows security message. Just click on Yes. After that, the Google Drive installer will open. On this screen, click on the Install button. Now, wait for a few seconds. Google Drive will start installing on your system. You don't need to change anything here. Just let the installation complete. Once the installation is finished, Google Drive will be ready on your Windows 11 computer. You can now sign in with your Google account and start syncing your files directly from your PC to Google Drive.